Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a rename card in PUBG Mobile. You can primarily earn a free rename card by progressing through the game's levels. Other methods include purchasing from the clan shop, participating in special events, or buying one directly from the in-game store. We'll cover each of these easy ways to ensure you can change your name whenever you wish. The most straightforward way to get a rename card is by simply playing the game and leveling up your account. Upon reaching player level 10, the game rewards you with a free rename card. To achieve this, focus on completing daily missions and playing various game modes to accumulate experience points quickly. Once you hit level 10, navigate to your progress rewards to claim your card. Beyond leveling up, the clan shop offers rename cards for a specific amount of clan currency. Make sure to actively participate in clan activities to earn enough. Keep an eye on limited-time events, as they often provide rename cards as rewards for completing challenges. Finally, if you need one immediately, you can always purchase a card from the in-game shop using G-Coins, the premium currency. Once you have your rename card, navigate to your inventory and select the card to use it. A prompt will appear, allowing you to enter your desired new name. Remember, names have character limits, typically between 3 and 14 characters, and must be unique. Confirm your choice, and your new name will be instantly applied in the game for all to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.